If you want to be a content creator and vlog, this is the best one to get. Let's get started. Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today I am bringing you the unboxing and why I think the Flip 7 is one of the best vlogging phones out there. And today's video is brought to you by RecDot earbuds. All earbuds are typically the same. They sound good, they have great noise cancellation, and they have a good design. And these have all that, but they have so much more. While talking on the phone with these earbuds, you can actually record your conversation and have a complete transcription after the fact. But you can also use VMAI. This will allow you to create a summary or a to-do list based off of the conversation you just had with all the important parts highlighted for you. This not only works with phone calls, but actually every conference call app you can think of. So imagine being the person after the big executive meeting that actually took the initiative to have a summary and to-do list of everything that was discussed. That's how to get ahead, and that's how to make an impression. Need to record a conversation in person? That's easy. Just take out the earbud case itself, slide it up, and push the red dot on the case, then put it down on the table in front of you, and you can record the conversation just as easily. Then still be able to connect it to your phone afterwards and do all the transcribing, summary, and notes that you have available to you with VMAI. Not only that, but you can even now translate up to 16 languages from those transcriptions. So if someone's spoken a different language, you're able to understand exactly what was said and have that in the notes as well. So if you do want earbuds to do more, check out the link in the description down below. And thank you, VM, for sponsoring this video. So while unboxing the Galaxy Z Flip 7, I am going to let you guys know that the reason I think it's so good for vlogging is because most people vlog using their selfie cam. With this one though, not only is your selfie cam just better than every other selfie cam in the market, period, it is so because it has these two front cameras that you can use on this beautiful big display right here. So this is going to be better than your iPhone's selfie camera, than your S25 Ultra Samsung selfie camera, than any other one on the market. So the reason why it's just so much better is because it uses the rear camera in order to do all of the work. All right, it looks like the one shipped to me was delivered dead, so I'm gonna go ahead and charge it, set it up. If you are a first timer with Samsung, you can use something called Samsung Smart Switch. It allows you to transfer over absolutely everything from your previous phone, whether it be an iPhone or a Samsung or another Android. It'll transfer everything over to here, and that way you don't have to download anything fresh. Everything is gonna be on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, set it up, and then tell you all about it. All right, so we have the phone all set up now with this lovely case as well, the UAG case, my favorite one so far. And I just love how it looks and set up and ready to go. So why is this such a good phone for content creation and vlogging specifically? I think this is the best phone for vlogging because one, you have a connected device, right? So in terms of having a camera, or in terms of having a DJI Pocket 3, this is going to take the same kind of quality or similar quality, but you can easily upload it without needing to transfer it to another device. So you don't need to transfer this to your smartphone. It can just record and automatically upload to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, wherever you upload to, it can do it very easily. So for one, it's a connected device, but two, it has a better quality. As we open up the phone right here, yes, you can double press it and do a video with selfie taking from here. And look, it's 4K 60. It's gonna be good, just like your phone if you do content creation on your phone. But the difference is gonna be that instead of doing this, you can actually flip it over. And the first thing is if you are filming someone else and creating content, you can actually show them a preview of what they look like. So if you're actually being filmed, you can see how you're gonna look like. And I love that aspect. You can see the exact measurement as well, or you can see a zoomed in part so you know that that's gonna be the center of it, or you can see the entire thing and make sure you're exactly how you want to be in it. Both are great options. But the thing I love about the most is that we can actually just close this up, and you can either swipe here, and there you go. You now have the ability to take a video. to take a photo or to even take a portrait photo. Really simple and easily, this is going to be the best way to create selfie taking content or vlogging. For one, your photo taking is very easy right here, just simple. You have the different aspect ratios you can set it up for. And I think I love about this the most is you don't have to push the button, which can get you a little bit of a blurry shot. You can actually just go like this and tap to take the photo. I love that ability just to be able to quickly take an image. It's so nice and easy just to be able to take it and start it right away. But even if you want it better than that, you can actually take a video and a vlog, right? Set this up this way, but you can just hold out your hand and start it that way too. So you can start it that way or just tap it and start and end it. Either way, it's so easy just to be able to create content, the exact kind of content you want. And with this feature, you can do up to 4K, 60 frames, and make it just look absolutely awesome. I think this is the best way to be able to take videos, and you can even put on this mode for steady ready shot. So that's going to be, if you're running up and down, you can see how much it is stabilizing the shot than what it normally would be going like this. So yeah, for me, for content creating, if you are doing selfies or vlogging, if you're a content creator, the Flip 7 is going to be the best because of these two reasons. One, it's going to be a better quality camera than any selfie phone has on the market, period. It's going to take better quality than all of them, not only because of the megapixel size, which is 50, but because of the sensor size itself being better than any selfie camera out in the market. I don't care if it's iPhone, I don't care if it's other Samsungs. This is going to be better. Number two, it's easy to grip, very compact, so it's easier than the Fold would be to be able to take great quality photos and great quality video, and has a longer battery life than the Folds. So definitely going to be good when it comes to that. And finally, it's a connected device. You're not going to have to use a camera like I am, where I'm going to have to transfer it over to my computer so that I can upload it to social media. You're going to be able to use this by itself and then upload it immediately to social media. You can edit, you have all the ability to right on the phone. So yeah, by the way, two other great forms for content creation. You can actually just record any video and immediately hold it down, and then you go into slow-mo. So you can do that very easily. But the other thing you can do is actually also when you edit, you can actually clean up any audio. Not only can you do instant slow-mo, but you can use audio eraser to get rid of any background noise you have in your shot. So if you are in a crowded area, you can actually isolate your voice alone and remove all of it. One tap, very easily done. So if you want to create content, this is the best way. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Are you interested in the Flip 7 now that you've seen all these features? Are you going to use it for content creation, or do you just like the style of it? Do you like a flip phone better than a regular phone? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been RecDot, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, follow me on social media at YouTube Tech Guy. And check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.